Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel SR HVAC. In this video, we will cover the ultimate AHU interview questions and answers. Stay tuned. If you're preparing for an AHU or air handling unit interview and want to ace it, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're covering the ultimate list of AHU interview questions and answers that will help you stand out. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, this video is packed with tips, tricks, and expert insights just for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things career related. Let's get started. Now, if you're unfamiliar with AHUs, here's a quick rundown. An air handling unit, or AHU, is a device used to regulate and circulate air within an HVAC system. It typically includes components like fans, filters, heating and cooling coils, humidifiers and dampers. AHUs control the temperature, humidity and air quality in commercial and industrial buildings by conditioning the air before it is distributed through the building's ductwork. The main components of an AHU include fans, which move air through the system, filters, which remove dust, debris, and contaminants from the air, coils, which heat or cool the air, such as chilled water coils or heating coils, humidifiers, which add moisture to the air if needed, dampers, which control the flow of air by adjusting airflow, and finally, mixing chambers, which mix outdoor air with return air. An AHU works by drawing air from the outside or the return air from the building, filtering it, conditioning it by cooling, heating, or humidifying, and then distributing it throughout the building. It uses fans to circulate air through the system with different components like coils and filters, modifying the air quality before it enters the ductwork. Centralized AHU, a larger unit typically located in a central area, servicing a whole building or multiple zones. It requires ductwork to distribute air. Centralized AHUs are ideal for large buildings because they can efficiently manage air distribution and quality across multiple zones. Package AHU, a smaller self-contained unit designed for smaller spaces, often installed on rooftops or in specific areas. In fact, and includes all necessary components within a single unit. Modular AHUs. These are customizable to fit different needs. Common types include fiberglass filters, pleated filters, bag filters, and HEPA filters, each with varying filtration efficiencies. Filters in an AHU play a crucial role in removing dust, debris, and other particulate matter from the air before it is circulated throughout the building. Clean air improves indoor air quality and helps to prevent contaminants from damaging the HVAC system components. When it comes to troubleshooting, you need to know the steps to identify problems. Start by checking for common issues like no airflow. Check for clogged filters, faulty fans, or damaged ducts. Temperature issues. Inspect coils for blockages or improper settings. Noise. Check if the fans are balanced and if there is debris in the fan assembly. Leaks. Check for leaks in the ductwork or AHU casing. Start by inspecting the component systematically, checking for common problems before proceeding with repairs or replacements. Make sure to explain your systematic approach and knowledge of how to handle various issues. The coil in an AHU is used for either heating or cooling the air. There are typically two types. Cooling coils, which are often filled with chilled water or refrigerant to cool the air, and heating coils, which are often filled with hot water or steam to warm the air. To select the right AHU, you need to consider several factors. Airflow requirements based on the building size and the number of air changes needed. Temperature and humidity control depending on the environmental needs of the building. Energy efficiency by choosing units with energy-saving features like variable speed fans. And lastly, space and installation constraints, including the size and location of the unit. A two-way valve has two ports, an inlet and an outlet. It regulates the flow of fluid, usually water, through a single path to either a cooling or heating coil, depending on the system's needs. A three-way valve has three ports and can either mix or divert water between different flow paths. It is used for more precise control of temperature and flow, either by mixing hot and cold water in a mixing configuration or by diverting water between two coils or sections of the system in a diverting configuration. CFM is an acronym for cubic feet per minute, which measures the volume of air in cubic feet for each minute it moves. In the case of an air compressor, CFM indicates how much air can move per minute. A thermostat regulates the temperature by switching the HVAC system on or off to maintain the desired set point. Finally, here are some tips to help you ace your AHU interview. Be confident in your technical knowledge. Practice explaining complex concepts in simple terms. Showcase your problem-solving skills. Highlight examples where you've identified and solved AHU issues in the past. And remember, confidence and preparation are key to standing out. That's it for today's video on AHU interview questions and answers. I hope you found this helpful and that it prepares you for success in your upcoming interview. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might find it useful. Have any questions or want more tips? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Good luck with your interview, and I'll see you in the next